What is that one body part which the girls find sexy in the boys?
Oh God. Isn't that obvious?
His abs.
Biceps, their arms.
So that he can just cover you up like this?
Or the shoulders and arms. When they're well built, that's their chest, shoulder and arms. That is what is the highlight for their body.
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
Yeah, broad shoulders.
Yeah.
Also nice ass.
Nice ass.
Because it's not just the girls who should have a nice ass, it's also the guys.
I don't know about a body part, but I could see like veins popping out here.
I think the upper body, the biceps, triceps, chest, hands.
Hands. What for?
Well,
Use your imagination.
Hands.
Hands.
Yeah, don't
Why?
ask why. Don't ask why. Everybody has their peculiarities. Just hands.
I think the chest, hands.
Hands.
Hands and neck.
What do girls find sexy in the boys?
What the girls are, for me, it's more from the mind, so intellectualism and how you speak, how you conduct yourself completely, and your sense of humor, very important.
his body and beard. A guy should have beard.
I personally find the personality sexy, the way he walks and talks.
I think good abs, good body posture.
I think it's the way he dresses, according to me. And if he wears slippers, it's a total turn off for me.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Intelligence, confidence, and sense of humor.
Intelligence.
Height. That's really hard to find in India. So yeah, height.
Not true.
That's very true.
Look at our heights, man.
What is that one tip you would like to give the boys to have a strong sex appeal?
Don't lick your lips too much. They keep licking their lips. That's one. Be confident.
Yeah, definitely confidence and smell nice. That's always a good thing.
Just be fit, I feel. If you're fit and if you're clean, I'm game.
Stop wearing chappals.
Stop wearing chappals.
I think they need to pull their pants up because the guys these days, it's a huge trend to like have your pant hang below your butt. It's not appealing, not by any length. So yeah.
I think just be confident. Confidence and intelligence. Okay, even if you're not intelligent, just fake it. But intelligence and confidence are the two keys, I think.
Please buy shorts of your own size. Like, please do that. Like, those baggy shorts, it's fine. Like, you're comfortable with it, but like the short of your own size will make you look better.
You don't have to go chasing around people. Nobody's worth that much. People are realizing that good looks don't get you very far. I mean, you can have a one-night stand with the person probably, but you can't have breakfast with them the next morning.
Do girls find shy or the nerds sexy?
Yeah, they can be cute, I guess, in their own way.
Adorable than hot.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
If they're good to talk to, if they're intelligent, then yeah.
Yes. To an extent, yes. Shy, yeah, a bit. Nerdy, depends. If they are like really competitive and like keep asking you, oh my god, are you studying? Oh my god, are you studying? No.
Not shy, no. Nerd depends on what kind of nerd, but shy, no.
I think nerds are sexy.
If they're very shy and nervous about themselves, I'd find them more adorable than hot. Yeah.
Girls like the bad boys. Girls are the good girls and they like the bad boys.
A year, and it's been so fabulous and so good.